I get that it might be an inconvenience for you to not be able to pack peanut butter and jelly for your child's lunch, especially if you have a picky eater. But imagine being a parent who has to fear sending their child to school every single day, worried about whether somebody else's negligence will cause their child to have a life-threatening allergic reaction. Imagine living in that fear every single day. Allergies that can cause severe anaphylaxis are not a joke. And what may be a minor inconvenience for you is somebody else's entire life. So please be kind and be mindful when you're packing your children's lunches and snacks. We need to make sure that we let parents of children with allergies know that we will do everything that we can to help keep their kids safe. It takes a village, and you may be part of somebody's village that you don't even realize. So be a part of that village in a way that you would hope somebody would be for you and your children.